Hey, can I ask you something? Are you ready to level up your email marketing game? If you're tired of sending out emails and getting no responses, or if you just don't know where to start, you're in the right place. I'm about to show you a simple way to take your email campaigns from meh to amazing. With 7-Day Email, you can create highly effective email campaigns without the stress. Whether you're looking to grow your audience or increase your sales, this tool makes it easier than ever to see results. And here's the kicker. We are offering you a free 7-day email course that gives you everything you need to create email campaigns that actually convert. You'll get step-by-step instructions, pro tips, and the exact strategies to start seeing results fast. All you need to do is click the link below to sign up and get started. It's free, it's easy, and it could change the way you do email marketing forever. Ready to see what your emails can really do? Click the link below to find out.